I am shocked and surprised why something like this has happened.
आखिर क्यों सुशांत ने ये कदम उठाया? उनके जैसे होनहार, टैलेंटेड और मेहनती एक्टर को क्यों हमने इतनी जल्दी खो दिया? क्या महेश भट्ट को सुशांत की मेंटल हेल्थ पे कमेंट करना चाहिए था? These were the many questions actor Anupam Kher, who played Sushant's on-screen father, has responded to during an interview with Times Now.
I am shocked and surprised why something like this has happened.
Anupam Kher has had a long journey in Bollywood and has seen several highs and lows in his career. By his own admission, he battled mental health issues for almost 2 years and also faced struggles as an unconventional-looking actor in the star and glamour-driven industry. Anupam Kher believes that all the anger and frustration in the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise are a combination of difficult circumstances we are all in because of the pandemic. He also spoke about how Sushant's dreams remained unfulfilled.
सुशांत एंड अनुपम जी ने MS धोनी के बायोपिक में एक साथ काम किया था and the veteran actor played Sushant's on-screen father in the movie. Speaking about his emotional response to the actor's sudden demise, अनुपम जी ने कहा, "The more I see his fitness, the more I see his carefree videos, the more I think, why? I want to address mental health issues, but I feel we need closure in this case." Anupam ji also spoke about a long walk he took with Sushant during the filming of the Dhoni biopic और किस तरह सुशांत उनके करियर और हॉलीवुड में उनके काम को लेके बहुत क्यूरियस थे.
I remember that I went for a walk. We were shooting late in the night. I went for a walk with him. And he was constantly talking about what he wants to do. And he always say that आप abroad कैसे काम करते हैं, आपको ये Bend It Like Beckham कैसे मिली थी, आपको अंग्रेजी में बोलने में परेशानी. तो मैं मजाक उड़ाता था अपना. I was making fun of myself. I said कुछ नहीं है, अपने सपनों का horizon बड़ा कर दो तो आपको सब सारे सपने पूरे होते हैं.
There are many sources that are now alleging that the statements about his mental health are false and are meant to malign the late actor. लेकिन अनुपम जी जो खुद mental health issues के साथ battle कर चुके हैं, मानते हैं कि mental loneliness can happen to anyone. A positive man doesn't mean that he will never feel low, but the idea is to get out of that. I am sure Sushant had the capabilities of getting out of that. Anupam ji के mentor और close collaborator Mahesh Bhatt has been at the receiving end of a lot of criticism due to his alleged proximity to Rhea Chakraborty, who has been accused of multiple offences by Sushant's family. However, Anupam ji ने अपने mentor को अपने इंटरव्यू में डिफेंड किया और कहा कि बिना किसी ठोस फैक्ट्स के वो उन पर कोई जजमेंट पास नहीं करना चाहते.
I will want to give him a benefit of doubt only because of the background that I come from. I am not blind, but I will not want to say anything because मुझे मेरे टीचर्स ने, मुझे मेरे माँ बाप ने, मुझे मेरे दादा दादी ने सिखाया है, जिसने तुम्हें नया जन्म दिया है उसको हमेशा कृतार्थ रहो. तो इतना तो मेरा फर्ज बनता है कि मैं उनके प्रति कृतार्थ रहूं.
Speaking about Mahesh Bhatt and how his good intentions may have been misinterpreted, Anupam ji ने कहा, he is a person who likes to give advice. Maybe the advice is now being construed in such a manner that it is looking very strange and suspicious. Anupam ji also added in his interview that what he hopes for is that Sushant's family finally gets justice and the closure they need.
क्योंकि हमें सच जानने का हक है. Thank you. CBI for SSR. Please.
हम भी यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि अब CBI और ED की इंक्वायरी के चलते सच आखिरकार सामने आ जाएगा.